Hey everyone. So I don't usually make these kinds of videos where I show you my dirty office and my messy desk and then ask you to come along with me as I do some cleaning. But even cleaning my office can feel overwhelming, and I thought that having a buddy might be nice. So here I am. I'm going to start by raising up my desk, so thanks for following along with me. And then I am choosing some tunes because just the being in the empty void of my office by myself can feel lonely. And all of us small business owners who work for ourselves can probably relate to that feeling. Once I have the music going, then I am panning over to show you my Pomodoro timer. Look at me using the tools. Oh, and then that's my little handheld calendar, and it looks like I forgot to change it since last week. And now I'm just kind of picking up things off my desk. I found a post-it note, don't need that anymore, it goes in the trash. And there were things all over my floor, picking those up. Oh, blank piece of paper, that's gonna go in a pile. Found some more trash and some coupons and things. I'm gonna go ahead and shred those in the corner. When I work with students on executive functioning, I remind them that progress isn't about perfection, it's about getting started. Sometimes cleaning is just another version of planning. It's creating mental room for creativity and focus. Always need those fidget tools. All right, so now I'm leaving my office and coming back with a candle, but I realize I don't have a lighter, so I leave again, and this time I came back and showered myself with my water because I forgot it was open. And thankfully I have a napkin right there to dry myself off. And now I am going to light that candle to just ignite all of our senses and feel really present in my space. And then I'm slowly going to start cleaning up that water mess that I made. But first I will pull these cords together. Oh, and that's me noticing there is a mess on the floor. Cleaning that up. Who knew I was gonna mop today? Not me. And now I am cleaning up the sound machine. I don't really use this as much anymore now that I live on my own. And so I'm going to tuck that away. Oh, and then there is my favorite mug. She does what she wants. And now I am finishing cleaning up all the trash off of my desk. I step out real quick so that I can switch off my house slippers and then put on some shoes with a little more support since I do stand at my desk a lot. Whew, here we are. Okay, one step closer to starting work today. And so now we're panning over to the side of my desk where I tend to just collect items that I don't know what to do with. And I'm starting with items that keep me warm, my scarf and a blanket. Sometimes I get cold while I'm coaching and I just need to quickly grab something, but I don't always fold it and put it away after I'm using it. And this is my work bag when I visit students in person. Oh, the little snack I have in there for probably longer than I needed. And just pulling out some markers that I don't need in my bag and just going through each pocket. Oh, definitely have some fidgets there. Some of my favorites, a fidget ring too. Gotta keep those in the bag, just in case. I'm gonna tuck this away on one of my shelves. And then I'm gonna move over to my whiteboards. I have to try to clean them off. Some of the writing has been on here for longer than I'd like to admit, so I'm using a little bit of alcohol to remove the expo markers from the whiteboard. All clean. And I'm going to tuck that away, sorting through some papers, putting them into personal and work filing folders. Things that I can come back to if I need to, or in this case, I'm going to rip them out and shred them off screen, and then tuck my notebooks away. There are different tools that I use with students, a flow chart for checking your email, I will bring tiny whiteboards with me to an in-person session, and I don't always remember to erase them, so here I am cleaning off this tinier whiteboard, all clean and tucked away. This is my coursework here, all the executive functioning coursework I've been doing with Krista Hopp. I'm going to tuck that stuff away and come back to it when I'm ready. Hydration is very important. Always have your water bottle within reach. And now I'm just kind of spinning in place. What do? So I'm going to show you my desktop. Oh, what a sad coffee cup. Smart but scattered was found somewhere amid it all. We are getting closer. I'm going to remove these items from my desk and coming back with a Clorox wipe. So I still have some items here. I'm going to slowly but surely take them all away. All of my sprays, my hand sanitizer. Oh, that's my little cat butt that holds my phone. Some Post-its, chapstick, Tiger Balm for that tense neck and shoulders. I like to use fun coasters, and I keep a picture of me and my mom on the desk. We're pretty silly together and it's cute. That candle's doing a lot of work to keep me in a positive mood. So we are nearly there, and I just want to say that running a one-person business means you do everything, even clean up after yourself. But when I take the time to reset my space, I remind myself that I'm building something that matters, one clear surface at a time. Thank you for sticking with me through this process. It's nice to know that people are watching as I do this work. It holds me accountable, just like I try to hold my students accountable. You'll see here I am putting all of my essential oils, my Tiger Balm, my hand lotion, all of those little things back onto my desk within reach. And just like that, I'm done, y'all. Thanks for being here.